crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today is unboxing day. I have the new Simon Says Stamp card kit, and this one is called Fall Vibes. Just a little bit of housekeeping before we do the unboxing. When Simon releases a new card kit, all of the pieces that are inside are actually available immediately, which is awesome. So if you just love the stamp set, if you just love the paper in it, whatever it is, you can purchase that when the kit comes out, and that's really awesome. I will list individually all of the pieces in the description box and over on my blog, so you can go check that out, and I do have affiliate links. Also, with the Simon Says Stamp card kits, if you want to, you can add to your card kit box every month. So if you're saving up your wish list, I know that I do that, you can add them right into the box, so when it ships, all of those items will also come with the box, and it'll be the same $7.99 shipping. And if your order goes over $100 including the kit, then you get shipping for free. So that is a great benefit. Also, when you subscribe, you are guaranteed to get a kit. A lot of times these kits sell out. So, all right, without further ado, let us get going on the unboxing. There are a couple add-on pieces this month. I added on the A2 Grid Basics die set, and this coordinates with the stamp set that's in here. So we have all these little pieces. But there is another coordinating die available, and it is called the A2 Grid. I'll put a picture up so that you can see what that looks like. But basically it makes a 2x3 area grid on your card front. It's just a die, like a kind of a crisscross die. It has a lot of different shapes on that, and the stamps could fit into the shapes, and the stamps can also, you could make a very I don't know how you want to say it, like very design, you know, architecturally modern looking card with using that grid, because these are all squares and things, and you can put them in the grid. So that is another die set available. So let's take out the goodies. I keep hearing things rattling around in here that are metallic. So let's see. Oh, yeah, the frames. All right. First up, we have a coupon. Woohoo! $5 off your next order. Save with code COMFY. This is valid through November 20th, so you have a little bit of time with this. So make sure to put that coupon code when you check out for $5 off. All right, let's check this out. Where is my map? So this is a kit that is very Tim Holtz heavy, and it's also designed by Kathy Zilski. That's her stamp sets. All right, fall vibes. So the first thing is we have the A2 Grid Basics clear stamp set. So these are awesome. These are just little square things that could also fit in any, you know, shape die cut that you have. Some really cute silhouette type balloon floral. The floral pieces are separate, so you could make the flower part a different color than the bottom part. Some hearts, little dots. I love this one. It has been decidedly way too long since I saw your face. I love that. I missed you so very much, and I just wanted you to know. I love these. These are so sweet. Sending you all my love during this very difficult time. Sending all the hearts your way. So this is a really sweet set. A lot of good stuff when you just want to reach out to a friend and bring a smile to their face. And again, here is the die set that is coordinating with that. We have our lollipop. Oh, this is what was jingling around. These are Tim Holtz frames, and they're the photo frames, and these are real little. They are very heavy, so this would be good for, you know, a project. Maybe not for mailing, but if you were giving a card to somebody, you could do a really cool effect with that. All right. Oh, look at this. We'll put it on the back. It's a little bit easier. This is called Modern Loop. This is an embossing folder. It looks really cool. It's sort of florally at a diagonal, but also very geometric. So that's cool. Let's see what else. Oh, lots of good stuff. We have a stencil set. There's 4 in here, and this is called Pumpkin Patch, and it's a layering stencil. This would be great for just a fall card front. It's really pretty. I like the blue pumpkin colors on there. Let's see. We have a new simonsaysstamp black stamp and stencil mat, so that can hide some of your staining and make it stay pretty. So that's really nice. I like that. All right, we have the Tim Holtz Mini Distress Blending Brush. This is a little one. I have a lot of the bigger ones, but this is the little tiny one. That's so cute. All right, let's see. We have a pack of the Halloween large collage strips from Tim Holtz. And these are great. They have a lot of little, like, grumpy people. Look how many are in here. Let's see. 24. But they're kind of a Halloween spooky vibe. So you could use some of these with one of these frames, right? So a lot of cool things that you can do. And these are just strips, so you can cut them however you like. Make a collage out of it if you'd like. Alright, let's see. We have the this is the Tim Holtz Craft Stock Metallic. Sorry, it's really shiny. So that's really good, and it's such a good color for fall and Halloween. And then we have some beautiful simonsaysstamp paper. This one is the creamsicle. I don't have this one at all, so I'm kind of excited about that. The great fall color. And then we have ivory and the dark chocolate. I love this dark chocolate. I've recently done a few projects with that, and it's such a great color. Alright, so we have all of this and all of this and all of this. And if any of the pieces that you want, if they're sold out, just make sure to put your name on the notify list. Sometimes you can even pre-order the items, which is pretty awesome. But then Simon knows how many to order and things like that. If you've enjoyed this unboxing video, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And it really, it greatly helps in getting my content out to other crafters like you. If you want to stick around, I'll put my card making playlist up top, and you can go check it out for some card ideas and inspiration. Again, I'll put everything in the description box that I showed today and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And you can join me there or on Pinterest or on Facebook. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.